Hello, everybody. My name is Craig Peloquin.
And I'm Dennis Wilson.
And we're saying hello from beautiful downtown Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. It's great to be with you all today. How are you, Dennis?
I'm doing well, Craig.
Hey, we got a lot of great updates to share with everybody. Some cool new features to show in the app. Should we get right to it?
I think we should get right to it. New funnels, new features, new gizmos, new gadgets. I like it.
All right, well, let's go and show some of these new gadgets. All right, here we go. So let's talk about sharing from your Business Finder app, Dennis.
Well, you know, Craig, our latest update is going to allow you, as well as those not in Metropolee, to share directly from your app. So you're literally going to be able to download the app, not care about joining Metropolee, click the Learn Now button, and see how to share the app.
Really, this is going to be great. Let's share something because I'm pretty excited about this. I've been playing with it. And
so you start by logging in.
That's really simple. And now you're going to see a new link at the top that says Learn More.
And it's not right in your face, but we're not hiding it because, of course, we all want the business to grow.
There you go. And the app user, even if you're not yet a member of Metropolee, can now easily share the app with friends, family, with the handy share links. Puts right front their code, because everybody gets confused. What's my code?
What's my code?
It's your username.
Your code is in your app.
There you go. And then it's wonderful because it's, hey, check out this app and get up to $5 just for entering my special code. Puts it in there again. When you register, download now, and then a link to download.
Exactly.
Really, really simple. So you can immediately see the benefits of sharing the app. Get your friend to download the app and enter your code. And you not only give them $5 for free or your country's equivalent to spend, but when they spend their $5, you get $5 more, Dennis.
Exactly. And you don't have to be a part of Metropolee.
That's right. That's fantastic. Once again, we said there's your code and the message that we will send. Now, you can share by mobile phone functions, by WhatsApp. If you click by mobile phone, it's going to say, would you like to share Metro Biz Finder?
That's right. And then it's going to give you all the things that you have in your phone as potential share methods. So it'll just work.
There you go. Let's select the message, and you can just see there it sticks the message right into your...
And it's automatic to put your code in for you, so you don't even need to remember that.
And you can scroll down and even learn more. Sorry. I want to make sure we don't just stay unplugged. And you can scroll down and they can even learn more about Metropolee as a member or a vendor in our directory, Dennis.
Well, exactly. And that's really the key to it. So the top part is your information as the owner of the app. The bottom two parts are even more interesting.
There you go. And if you've purchased a pack, you will have Metro TBS, and these links will link to your Metro TBS funnels, Dennis.
That's what I said about it being exciting, Craig. So this actually is pushing traffic to your funnels for people to decide if they might want to become involved as more than just a free app user.
Right. Now, if you don't have Metro TBS, don't worry, the links still work.
That's right.
But they do go to the corporate version so that nobody can accuse your sponsor of trying to poach your people.
Well, that's right. And in the past, we've actually seen that happen where by having it go to the sponsor or the first guy that bought a pack or something like that, now the member actually feels like he's getting ripped off and his people are going to some other guy in the network. This way, they come safely to Corp, and we can figure out what to do with them if there's a problem or if it's contested or somebody says, hey, my guy ended up somewhere else. So it's really just for the security of the members that it does this.
There you go. But the bottom line is make sure you've got your Metro TBS.
My goodness, get your Metro TBS because now the app's going to do most of the work for you.
Right. If they want to earn more than $5, they can click the referral and loyalty program. It'll tell them information about that. And this is your Metro TBS funnel if you bought it, and the company if you don't.
That's it.
Go. Now, if you're a business owner and you need more customers, they click here, and they will go to your Metro TBS funnel if you bought it.
For the vendors.
That's right. This one's a little bit different, and once again, it's got how to download the app, and it's got the videos that we've already
Exactly. So think about the significance, Craig. I've just downloaded a free app. I've claimed my €5. I'm kind of excited, or I claimed my $5 now that we're going in North America. I'm kind of excited. And I click to learn more, and the very first thing it shows me is how I can make a little more by sharing it with my friends. Then if I decide to, I can choose to learn even more than that about becoming a member of Metropolee. And if I don't care about any of that, but I need more customers of business, if I read everything on that page, all of a sudden we pick up vendors, we pick up members, we pick up free app users.
It really works so well, Dennis. I'm really excited about how it all starts just by sharing the app. I mean, really, it's so simple. And this is how the Learn More function works. And it's going to help our app go viral.
On both sides.
Yeah.
Getting a whole bunch of free users and also picking up vendors along the way.
Right. Now, we've also created a new funnel with a condensed approach for identified network marketers.
You know, the feedback has been that our normal funnel works fantastic for normal people or networkers that have never made a lot of money. But when you start talking to networkers, Craig, they seem to want everything in a snapshot, everything real easy. And what you got to remember is the psychology is they don't really want to hear. So you ask them, are you open? They say yes, but they're not actually open. They're just waiting to hear what yours is to turn around and pitch you on what theirs is. So you really need something sort of snappy and direct to capture their attention. So this is where we came up with this funnel. It's really for a networker that's made a living in MLM before. Anyone who hasn't made a living in it and they've only picked up an extra $300 or $400, this is probably the wrong approach. This will freak them out just a little bit. So this is really for your networkers. They're not necessarily your best prospects because you're just going to go away feeling beat up most of the time. But should you decide to give it a go, this funnel's the best one.
And we created this funnel out of necessity. We were out talking to networkers, sharing what we had in North America, and they have the attention span sometimes of a gnat.
And again, it's because they don't really want to be listening.
Right.
They don't like that you're pitching them. They wish they were pitching you, and all the craziness that happens with an identified networker.
So we created this.
We did.
And we turned this into a video.
And boy, is it already working. So we just had to share.
So let us share exactly what the new video content is going to be. This is just fantastic. So we're going to run you through the video contained in the funnel. So we've actually turned it into a sales funnel in your Metro TBS. And this is what you can show a networker. We just want to show the highlights too.
So that means Metro TBS now comes with 4 funnels, Craig, not 3, now 4.
All right, so what makes Metropolee different, Dennis?
Well, you know, first we start with the short list of, hey, give away $5 to friends to spend in a free app.
And earn money to spend even if the prospects don't join Metropolee.
And a free app and sales funnels help you prospect.
Right, and the large retail commissions with a 10 to 20% weekly binary.
And you can talk to business people about Metropolee without embarrassment.
Right, and a loyalty program points plan to become a crypto in the future.
So we kind of touched on a bunch of key points for all the networkers.
There you go. And it all starts by you downloading our free Business Finder app and claiming $5 you can spend at participating businesses in our directory.
Absolutely.
So what's stage 1?
Give $5 to your friends.
That's not a hard one. Have your friends do the same by sharing your link with them from in your app.
And for each friend who claims and spends their $5 at a participating business, you're going to receive an additional $5.
Right. And when your friends refer their friends for free money, they also get $5 each when it gets spent.
And let's remember, the key here, Craig, is that it needs to be spent. You don't just get them to enter your code and you get money. Until they actually go out and add value, you don't get it. So it forces vendors and everything to come together. It's just fantastic.
But here's the best part, Dennis. Nobody has joined Metropolee yet or paid us any money.
What? Well, how's that possible?
I know
that's really the key point, right? We're prospecting through a free app, which creates that income flow after.
So now the app goes viral.
And the fun begins.
It certainly does, because the app, as you saw, is going to educate how to refer friends to the $5 program, and
it's going to see if they're interested in becoming a customer with a listing in the business directory.
Or upgrading to a Metropolee reseller to benefit from retail commissions and our MLM compensation plan.
Absolutely.
And those we say our MLM compensation plan here.
Remember, we're talking to all the people who love network marketing in the sales funnel.
Right. So now let's become stage 2, become a reseller and earn retail and first order bonuses, Dennis.
We're all about retail. So you purchase the sales and marketing automation Metro SMA software key at retail for $299 US, which includes a business listing to use for yourself.
Right. Or should you decide to upgrade to a reseller, use as a demo for prospective retail customers.
Absolutely. And then you can upgrade to a reseller for $9 to begin earning retail commissions on Metro SMA keys and business directory listings.
That's right. And then you purchase one of our 3 wholesale software key packages, which include our team building software that you need, Metro TBS.
And our packs include between 2 and 12 software keys. The bigger the pack, the bigger your discount, and the bigger your retail commission.
Right. So the 3 basic pack that has 2 keys, our Pro pack has 6 keys, and our Enterprise pack has a dozen keys.
Let's start talking about what happens if you do your job as a networker, Craig.
Right. If you do your job as a networker, you're going to be selling these keys, aren't you, Dennis? 2 keys isn't going to be enough. And because Metro TBS has the sales funnels used in the free Business Finder app, which educate free app users on the $5 program, or becoming a reseller and getting a listing in our directory, you want to have a pack.
That's right, because then you get Metro TBS.
Right.
So stage 3 is to become a consultant and earn 10% binary income and a whole bunch of other goodies.
Right. Now, Metropolee is unique. Everybody joins as a retail customer first, which generates your first retail commissions.
Yes. Keep in mind, as you share the app with people, the app helps you find retail customers and resellers.
Right. Now, to get commission qualified in Metropolee, simply enroll 2 people who joined as retail customers first, upgraded to a reseller, and purchase at least our basic key package. What would that look like, Dennis?
Well, you're paid a retail sale amount less a 10% service fee. So $269.10 times 2 for $538.20 as retail commissions.
Right. Then you get your first order bonus of $59.60.
Yep. Plus $15 in the binary.
So you got a total of $612.80 for just enrolling 2 people.
Fantastic. Now, you joined for $299 retail, Craig, and then you paid the $9 reseller annual fee, and you bought the basic pack for $299 so far. So you actually spent a total of $607 so far.
Right, but you've been paid $612.80.
You're already in profit.
Got to like that, just for 2 people. Now, based upon how many people you plan to enroll in the next few months, you'll purchase the appropriate package of software keys, Dennis.
Exactly, and remember, the bigger the package, the more your retail commissions per Metro SMA key.
Right, so now you're a consultant and you earn 10% in the binary and you're eligible for other bonuses.
So stage 4 is to continue to rank up by becoming an executive and double your binary to 20%.
Now, this is actually pretty simple. Dennis, if you just help 2 of your resellers buy a Pro pack instead of a basic pack, you become an executive and you double your binary commissions to 20%.
Yeah, or you could enroll a couple more people with the basic pack. Your choice.
Right. Once again, the app, our free $5 program, and Metro TBS with its sales funnels help you to find retail customers and resellers to reach executive and 20%.
And you've now been paid $538.20 retail, $159.80 first order bonus, and $90 in the binary.
Total of $788.
So, stage 5. Let's keep on going. Let's become a developer.
Right. So now you need to retail a cumulative total of 12 Metro SMA software keys. How many software keys are in the Enterprise pack, Dennis?
12.
Oh, 12.
There we go.
Is that a coincidence?
Maybe. Now remember, each new reseller first buy their key from you at retail. So this is simple with our app and software.
Right. Now just help 2 of your 12 resellers reach executive.
And you're qualified to earn from the developer bonus pool 12 generations of matching bonus, a car bonus, and more.
Wow. So you spent $1,807. You were paid $3,229.20 in retail bonus, $958.80 in first order bonus, $540 in binary commission, a total of $4,728.
In your pocket.
That is a great beginning.
That's it. And as you continue to participate in the Metropolee Commission Plan, your weekly earnings can grow as big as you're willing to work for.
Remember,
it all started by giving your friends $5 for downloading a mobile app.
right? So download the Business Finder app now and claim your $5. And there's the links to go in and get them downloaded right on your phone.
And you can begin now, and you don't have to sign, well, you don't have to pay anything. So let's move on to the second thing, Craig. So, oh, this is a space. Here's a quick look at the actual funnel. Actually, I guess it's not.
There you go. All right, so as you can see right now in the Metro TBS funnel, there's now 4 identified network marketers. We've added the 4 sales funnel just for MLMers.
There we go.
Great. So what makes Metropolee different? Everything that we just did in this presentation right now in our weekly update
is now in a video in your funnel.
There you go. And they fill in their details and choose one of the 3 answers. More information on the Metropolee business, which then leads them to the business presentation and being able to download the Business Finder app.
And of course, showed your code.
It did. And when they click here to learn more, it gets them to join Metropolee from your member page.
Your member replicated website.
There you go. If they just want the free app and $5,
it sends them to the page where you can learn how to do that and shows your code.
There you go. And if they just don't think it's for them and they're not interested,
it says thanks very much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for taking a look. Just in case you're wrong, here's my website.
That's it.
All right, there you go. Nice and
change
simple.
your mind.
Now we have a function in the back office, Dennis.
Yeah, and this is really important. And because we're starting to get closer and closer to turning on payments and all of the things starting to work, we really need to talk a bit about the corporate push function. So make sure that you turn off corporate pushes if you edit your funnels in either Metro TBS or Metro SMA.
That's important. By leaving corporate push enabled, it will keep your funnels always updated to our latest versions, but it will overwrite any changes that you make.
That's right. So corporate push means we push a button when we make an addition to the funnel, like we just did. We added a whole nother funnel, and we push that button, and it's going to overwrite anything you've edited in your funnels to our version again. So
Right.
If you're doing any editing in any of the funnels, whether it's Metro SMA or Metro TBS, make sure you uncheck this button. We default it to checked.
Right, so this is how you can go do that. You log into Metro SMA
Or Metro TBS.
or Metro TBS on the main menu, and you scroll to the bottom and uncheck in the My Details, allow corporate push.
Correct. And hit submit.
There you go. And that's pretty much all the updates. Now, that looks like it was short and sweet, but that's a lot of work. I mean, we have, the guys in the back in the tech team, great job that they are doing to help get all these tools out there for you.
Boy, I tell you, not only are we building tools, we're building out apps, we're building better displays and better earnings report and better everything, and it's just it's moving at the speed of sound.
It is. So everybody, thanks for taking some time to listen to our weekly update, and we'll see you next week.
Cool. Easy. So now we can take a look at what Clayton needs to take us a look at because we have some time.
All right, we do have a little bit of time, yeah. Okay.